Hello WordPressers, and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to compress and optimize images for WordPress. I'm Jocelyn, and today we're going to walk you through a simple yet effective method to speed up your website using the popular Smush plugin. Let's start by understanding why image optimization is crucial. Large, unoptimized images can slow down your site, affecting user experience and even your search engine rankings. That's where Smush comes in handy. First, we'll install the Smush plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New, search for Smush, click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new Smush menu item in your dashboard. Click on it to begin configuration. It will pull up a wizard. We recommend applying all options except for the first one to share usage data. Enable automatic optimization for new uploads, turn on EXIF metadata stripping, and activate the lazy load feature. These settings will help reduce file sizes and improve loading times. Now, let's optimize your existing images. Click on Bulk Smush now, and watch as the plugin works its magic on your media library. For more control, scroll down to the Advanced Settings. Here, you can choose which image sizes to compress and set up image resizing options. Speaking of pro features, Smush Pro offers WebP conversion. WebP is a modern image format that provides superior compression without sacrificing quality. To use this, you'll need to sign up for Smush Pro and activate the feature in Settings. To review your results, check the Smush dashboard for optimization stats. Before we wrap up, I want to mention another tool that could really help your WordPress media management: Infinite Uploads. While it's not an optimization plugin, it offers a cloud-based solution to offload your WordPress media library, ensuring your site remains fast as it grows. It also includes a global CDN, making your media fast wherever you are. If you're interested in learning more about Infinite Uploads, check out the video I've tagged in the corner or follow the link in the description below. That's it for our tutorial on compressing and optimizing images for WordPress using Smush. Remember, a faster website means happier visitors and better search engine rankings. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing!